Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify in KSA. First, you'll need to understand the local e-commerce regulations in Saudi Arabia to ensure compliance. Next, select a Shopify plan that perfectly aligns with your business size and needs. Finally, configure your store's settings, ensuring the currency is set to Saudi Riyal and the language is appropriate for your customers. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth start to your online venture. Once your store is set up, it's time to add your products. Ensure each item has clear descriptions and high-quality images to attract customers. Next, configure your shipping zones and rates, specifically tailoring them for delivery across Saudi Arabia. Finally, integrate popular local payment gateways such as Mada, SDC Pay, or Tamara to offer convenient and trusted payment options to your Saudi customers, enhancing their shopping experience. Now, let's make your store visually appealing and user-friendly. Choose a Shopify theme that resonates with your target audience in Saudi Arabia, considering cultural preferences. Customize the design to perfectly reflect your brand identity, ensuring a consistent look and feel. Remember to optimize your product pages for mobile viewing and fast loading times, as many customers shop on their smartphones, providing a seamless experience. With your store ready, it's time to focus on marketing and launching. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy specifically tailored for the Saudi Arabian market, considering local trends and consumer behavior. Utilize popular social media platforms like X, Instagram, and Snapchat for effective promotion. Finally, launch your store and continuously monitor its performance, using analytics to refine your strategies and achieve sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.